Hello folks, and welcome back for another video with Outdoor Adventures of Austin Miller. I hope everyone's having an awesome Sunday morning so far. At least an awesome Sunday. We got some snow coming down here in Newark, Ohio. This beautiful snow. Today, it's also been 9 years and 3,288 days since I've gotten a 7-inch snowstorm. Well, for the first time this month, I finally got some snow. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. God bless you all, and make sure to leave lots of likes and comments and plenty of views on this short video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more.